At Miami Stem Cell, we take a regenerative approach to joint health using umbilical cord-derived mesenchymal stem cells and exosomes. These components are being researched for their potential to reduce inflammation, support tissue repair, and promote better mobility for people experiencing arthritis, cartilage wear, or chronic pain. The cells come from ethically donated umbilical cords after healthy, full-term births and are processed in FDA-registered labs with strict testing for safety and quality. Treatment is delivered through precise joint injections, such as in the knees, hips, or shoulders, or through IV infusion when multiple joints are involved. Most patients experience minimal downtime and may notice less stiffness, improved movement, and greater comfort within weeks. While these therapies are still considered experimental and not FDA approved, many patients report encouraging results, and research continues to highlight their potential. At Miami Stem Cell, we guide you every step of the way, from consultation to recovery, with care, transparency, and science at the core. Schedule your free consultation today to learn more about regenerative joint therapy.